NavCon23 here. I'm going to be breaking this hobby box of 2016 Panini draft picks, Contenders. 8 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. And there's going to be 5 autographs in here, so this is going to be a pretty long break. So, let's get into it. Hopefully we get something cool. It's my first time opening one of these. Alright, so here's the inside. Alright, so let's get into it. Okay, so Melvin Gordon, Mario Williams, Latavius Murray, J.J. Watt and Russell Wilson, Collegiate Connections. Devontae Booker, School Colors. DeAndre Hopkins, Old School Colors. Hunter Henry, Game Day. Derrick Henry, Game Day. T.J. Yeldon, Richard Sherman, Julian Edelman. Collegiate Connections, Antonio Brown and Thomas Rawls. School Colors, Paul Perkins, AJ Green, Farrell Cooper, and Connor Cook. Keenan Allen, Justin Forsett, DeMarco Murray, Ezekiel Elliott, Farrell Cooper, Andrew Luck, Connor Cook, and Devin Castjosi or something. Joe Flacco, Greg Olsen, Jason Witten, Kenneth Dixon, Alex Collins, Devontae Freeman, Alex Collins, and Christian Hackenberg. Cameron Wake, Andrew Luck, Tyrod Taylor, and our first autograph is oh no, it's not an autograph, it's just a insert bowl ticket of Allen Hurns, and that's numbered 19 of 99. Pretty cool card. Paxton Lynch, Aaron Rodgers, Kenyon Drake, and Ezekiel Elliott. Eddie Lacy, Derek Carr, Charles Woodson, Ben Roethlisberger, Hunter Henry, Andy Dalton, Elliott, and DJ Foster. Sam Bradford, Peyton Manning, Matthew Stafford. Our first autograph is of Aaron Burbridge. He's a wide receiver. He plays for the 49ers. That's a rookie autograph. Dak Prescott, Todd Gurley, Trey Madden, and Carson Wentz. Aaron Rodgers, Thomas Rawls, Julio Jones, and we have another autograph of Vernon Adams Jr. That's a rookie. Corey Coleman, Adrian Peterson, Josh Ferguson, and Kenneth Dixon. Jordy Nelson, Jimmy Graham, James Jones, Mike Berkovici, and Cardale Jones, Tom Brady, Braylon Addison, and Mikhail McKay. Marcus Mariota, Larry Fitzgerald, Cam Chancellor, Cody Kessler, Demarcus Robinson, Rob Gronkowski, Devontae Booker, and Rashard Higgins. Drew Brees, DeAndre Hopkins, Cam Newton, Devontae Freeman, Tyler Boyd, Phillip Rivers, Paul Perkins, Tyler Boyd. Giovanni Bernard, Earl Thomas, Demaryius Thomas, Amari Cooper, Josh Doxson, Russell Wilson, Jordan Williams, and Josh Doxson. Carson Palmer, Arian Foster, AJ Green. Collegiate Connections, Bo Jackson and Frank Thomas. Laquan Treadwell, Richard Sherman, Jared Goff, and Demarcus Robinson. Marshawn Lynch, Jeremy Maclin, Jamal Charles. Collegiate Connections of Jeremy Hill and Odell Beckham. Derrick Henry, Matt Ryan, Josh Doxson, Jared Goff. Antonio Brown, Willie Snead, Teddy Bridgewater, Devontae Booker, Joey Bosa, Peyton Manning, Cardale Jones, Laquan Treadwell. Elvis Dumerville, Devontae Freeman, Clay Matthews, Rush Week, Tony Dorsett, and that's a pretty cool card. Ezekiel Elliott, Le'Veon Bell, Cody Kessler, and Brandon Doughty. So we have 3 autographs remaining. Hopefully they're pretty cool. Not really anything good so far. Randall Cobb, Mike Evans, Mark Ingram. And our next autograph is of Caleb Jones, another no-namer. Ezekiel Elliott, Melvin Gordon, Devon Johnson, and Braxton Miller. Brandon Marshall, Alex Smith, Todd Gurley. Our autograph of Devontae Booker, numbered to 99. That's not a good, well, not too bad of a pull right there. It's on the Broncos. Not too bad. Jared Goff, Jameis Winston, Laquan Treadwell, and Leonte Carroo. At least we got an autograph of someone who's known. LaShawn McCoy, Khalil Mack, Justin Houston. I have an autograph in here, so I'll save it for last. Open these ones up real quick. Rob Gronkowski, Ndamukong Suh, Joe Hayden, Jeremy Hill, De'Rania Wilson, Des Bryant, Aaron Green, and Tyler Irvin. Julius Thomas, Carlos Hyde, Andy Dalton, and Kevin Hogan, Connor Cook, Julio Jones, Nick Van Nett, and De'Rania Wilson. J.J. Watt, Eli Manning, Deshaun Jackson, Cam Newton, Tyler Irvin, Calvin Johnson, Corey Coleman, and Michael Thomas. Von Miller, Steve Smith, Phillip Rivers, Andy Dalton, Jordan Williams, J.J. Watt, Michael Thomas, Joey Bosa. Chris Johnson, Blake Bortles, Adrian Peterson, Kelvin Johnson, Rashad Higgins, Amari Cooper, Joey Bosa, Dak Prescott. Alright, our autographs in here. I'll pull them from the back. Michael Thomas, Marcus Mariota, Nelson Spruce, Sterling Shepard, and our autograph is, he's from Michigan. Dang, never heard of him. Selicu Calhoun. Not too great of a box at all. So autographs, it's the only good one we got. And then this card. So, not too good of a box, so thanks for watching.